Okay, welcome back to this Centennial Singer 1591. Amazing direct drive motor, 0.6 amp motor, peaks at about 0.8 amps. It's all about power. And we're going to demonstrate that again. If you saw our initial sew-off, this is it right here. And just to remind you, we went through what I would consider to be a very thick piece of leather. This is the kind of leather you use for saddle making. I've also seen this type of leather used for gun holsters. This is unbelievably thick, and yet, as you'll recall, and if you want to go back and see the video again, our 1591 went through it like it was basically satin or silk. There was no challenge for it. So you know what? We love raising the stakes because we just have so much confidence in our machines. So look at our next step. The one on the left is our first sew-off, a very thick piece of genuine cowhide leather. Now we're doubling the stakes with two thick pieces of genuine cowhide leather that we're going to be going through. Let me throw this one to the side and follow me down to the needle and watch what this machine can do with a task that would send other machines racing to the repair shop. And you know what? Again, a huge benefit is that presser foot clearance. I'm going to go ahead and utilize that hyperextension so I can slide this underneath that presser foot with absolute ease. Presser foot is down. And here we go with two unbelievably thick pieces of genuine cowhide. Here we go. What'd you think of that? And I wasn't even pedal to the metal on that. I was being conservative again. Now, apart from the fact that I apparently love sewing with a little bit of a curve to my stitching, look at the quality of those stitches. I'm going to turn it like this as well for the camera so you can really see just how gorgeous those stitches in fact are. Everything about them, the stitch formation, the stitch spacing is absolutely spot on. Let me show you again, and I want the camera to get nice and tight, what we just went through, and then remember with utter ease how it just got the job done. I mean, there was no struggling like you would see some machines doing. This machine has absolute guts when it comes to heavy-duty sewing. And not only that, even through something as thick as that, it produces an absolutely picture-perfect lock-in stitch. You know what? If you're looking for heavy-duty sewing or heavy-duty quilting, this machine, along with its little sister, the Spartan, you couldn't do any better.